In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly step by step what you need to know and what you need to do in Scholar to get started with the course. And I'm going to point out the pitfalls, the most common pitfalls, and show you how to avoid them so you don't get lost or confused. So let's get started here. This is Scholar's sign in screen. I put in my username and password here. If I'm the only one using this computer, I can click on Remember Me. Now here's the first pitfall. The most common reason for login problems is because users create an account quickly and are unable to recall the username they selected, which can be anything, the email they use. Many people have many emails that they use day to day, or their password. So you need to make sure that you can recall all three pieces of information, or else you're not going to be able to log in. So that's pitfall number one. Let's sign in. You've signed in. You see the remote partnering icon. You may think that's it. I'm in the course. So this is the second pitfall. You are not in our course community yet. The first thing you see when you sign into Scholar is actually your personal profile. That's why your picture is here. You can see mine. Here under communities, you should see the remote partnering community. And here again is the remote partnering community. Now let's click and go to the community. And you know you are in the right place because here you can see a blue bar. Yellow is for your personal profile. Blue is when you are in the remote partnering community. Now you are in the right place and you can see several things. You can see an activity stream here. You can see a button, send a message. And this is the third pitfall, which I'm going to ask you to avoid. Some people see send a message and they say, okay, this is great. If I want to say something in the course, I send a message. So that is incorrect. Send a message. Let's try it. Nothing will blow up. We'll actually send a message to the course team, which is a private message that other course participants will not see. So if you want to send a message to me, Bill, Kath, Hannah, is a message to you. You can do that, and that can be useful, but this is not how you post something in the course to be shared with the community. So let me do that just to get the feedback, and there you go. And you'll discover that Scholar has actually a little private messaging feature, which you can use to communicate with this course team. That's by sending a message, or with anybody else in the course that you have peered with. If send a message is not the way to post to the course, how do you do it? So you do this using updates and comments. So right now, you're not going to be able to post your own update, and we'll post a separate tutorial about that. But I'm going to show you if I scroll down here, and you can see there's lots of things happening as people are doing or joining the community. If I go to collaboration guidelines, this is an update posted by the course team, and it explains what participants are supposed to follow in terms of guiding principles. And at the bottom of each update, there is a comment box. So if you've used a discussion forum, I'm sure you're familiar with commenting in forums. Here, I am testing comments, and you can add your comment. Okay. So right now during orientation week, this is how you can give feedback, respond to what is being posted by the course team. Starting on Monday, your first community assignment will be to post an update, just like this one, just as the course team did. You'll be able to post in the same space, and we'll share a tutorial to show you how to do that.